Welcome to the video. Today we'll share the fascinating story of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Created in 1896 by Charles Dow and Edward Jones, the Dow is a vital index in the global financial market. Originally comprising 12 leading industrial companies, such as General Electric and American Tobacco, it now consists of 30 companies from diverse sectors. The Dow has weathered significant events, including the Great Depression and the 2008 financial crisis, while also experiencing periods of growth. It serves as a symbol for assessing the U.S. economy, with investors closely monitoring its fluctuations. Calculated based on weighted stock values, considering price and market capitalization, the Dow reflects the stock market's performance. Today, it remains a crucial tool for analyzing market health. Spanning technology, healthcare, finance, and energy, the index captures the economy's pulse. The Dow Jones Industrial Average has stood the test of time, offering valuable insights to investors and economists worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey through its history. Okay guys, big hug.